beautiful. I have my October 2021 Stitch Fix to unbox. If you are not familiar with what Stitch Fix is, it is a styling subscription service. So you have a personal stylist that handpicks items for you based on a style profile that you take, and then you get to pick how often you want to have your specially curated boxes sent to you. I personally like to do my boxes every month. I have been using Stitch Fix for, I think it's been 6 or 7 years now. It's been a long time. It is my favorite way to shop. Having this personal stylist or a personal stylist through Stitch Fix, say that 5 times fast, really has helped my style to evolve. It's helped me get out of my comfort zone and really try things that I probably wouldn't have necessarily picked out or even begin to try on at all for myself. So it really is my favorite way to shop. I'm excited to see what I got for the month of October. Okay, so upon opening the box, I can already tell there is a bag of shoes in here. I kind of thought that was going to be the case based on the size of the box. It seemed a little bit bigger than some of the previous boxes. So with Stitch Fix, they always send you 5 items. You can pick either clothing and shoes, or clothing, shoes, and accessories. For me, I like to do clothing and shoes, but not every month do they send me a pair of shoes. But this month is a little bit different. I'm gonna open the clothes first. It looks like one already fell out. Now, one of the things that Stitch Fix recently has started doing is allowing a preview of your fix, and they will send you about 10 items through a preview, and you have so many days, I think like 24 or 48 hours for you to go through that preview and select out of those 10 items which of those items you want to see actually in your box. Now this month, I didn't pick any of my preview items, so everything in here is going to be a complete surprise. The other thing I did request is I did leave a note for my stylist stating that I do have a wedding I'm attending in October, and I was open to seeing some dress ideas that they had for a fall wedding. So let's see if I got any dresses here. Maybe perhaps that's why I got a pair of shoes too, but I'm kind of thinking this first thing might be a dress. Let's see. Oh, it definitely looks like it. I love the green. It's got little white pattern on it. It seems to be maybe almost full sleeve, but not quite. And then it's got a cute little ruffle detail. So it's a very silky material. I don't know that it's necessarily my style of dress, but I will try it on. I will definitely try it on. I do like the color though. Let's see, what is this? Oh, this looks like a beautiful kind of light tan, sandy cardigan here. Very nice. It's got a little like cutout detail in the middle on the back. Very cute. Beautiful layering piece for the fall. All right, what is this? This might be another dress option. I can't tell where it begins. Oh, okay. I have not worn a style like this before. Okay, so it's got like the neckline there. I've never worn a neckline like that before. It's like a beautiful navy with a cream floral pattern on it. Definitely a dress. I think it has the same almost style on the bottom where it's like ruffled at the bottom. Pretty cute. Try that on as well. And then what's this guy? I think I'm already gonna like this guy a lot. It's kind of a color block. Yeah, I like this one. I'm really into the color blocks lately. But it's also got its own little tie at the front. Very cute. This is buttery soft. I am liking this texture a lot. All right, shoes. I oftentimes feel like the shoes are the best part when Stitch Fix has sent me shoes. It's always been a great surprise, and these are flippin' adorable. They know their shoe game. These are very, very cute. Look at this like detail at the front here. Loving that. Little slip-on, wedge. All right, let's try these on. I think I can even wear the boots with either of those dress options too. So, all right, let's try this on. Hold on, wait. Before we try it on, I have to read the note from my stylist. My stylist for a while now has been Anna, and every time I open up the stylist card, I'm always like, please be Anna, please be Anna, please be Anna. Because sometimes they switch. But I don't know if that just means like the stylist has moved on or they've gotten a promotion within the company or something. But let's glance. It says best Anna. Okay, we're good. Let's see what the stylist had to say for me this time. Happy Fix Day, Sarah. I adjusted my search to find you some great dress options for the upcoming wedding. That's exciting. First, I chose this dark green knit dress you can wear with a short necklace, booties, and tights if it's too cold in the evening. Do you like the length and style of this dress? Next, I snagged these adorable tan booties for you to wear with the dress I just mentioned, or you can wear them with some dark wash skinny jeans and a blouse for a workwear outfit. Lastly, I pulled this navy dress because I wanted to give you a second option for the wedding. You can wear this dress with some dangle earrings, a cardigan, and some heels. I will be anticipating your feedback on this collection, and I hope these dresses are more on point for what you are needing. Best, Anna. So, always so fun to get these notes from the stylist. I especially love how detailed Anna is about pairing the outfits together and like telling you this is the jewelry you can style it with, pair it with the cardigan, wear it with this type of shoe. That's really, really helpful, at least for me. The other thing that I love with the styling card is they give you pictures. So they pair the item that they sent you with other items and show you how you can wear it. And for me, that is very helpful. I'm very visual. That is oftentimes how I shop. When I do go into a store, I am often like a mannequin shopper. Like I see it, oh yeah, I want all of that. So this is really helpful, and I love my detailed notes that I get from Anna. So, all right, now let's go try everything on. All right, so first I paired this really buttery, soft, smooth, cozy cardigan with the boots. I kind of love the boots especially. Very, very, very cute. I really, again, like the feel of this cardigan. I love that it's got the little slit here on the side, so it moves really well. I feel like it's very flattering. Again, a great layering piece for transitioning into the fall. So let's see, names and prices for these two items. We first have the Gianna Back Detail Knit Cardigan, which is by Love Ellie. It's the color beige. This is a size small, and it is $46 if you are wanting to tell your stylist to send this piece in your Stitch Fix. And then the shoes are the Report Footwear Tony Mule Heeled Booty in tan. And they are $60 for the shoes. I will say they do feel very, very comfortable, especially I was a little nervous with where the cutout was, because you know how sometimes as you walk it like really presses like right on the center portion of your foot there. This has a lot of give to it, but it's definitely the right size, but there is a lot of space there, so it's not really, really tight, and it's not sharp and rubbing on that portion of my foot. So I can already tell they're super, super comfortable, and again, I think a great piece for fall. Okay, so next we have this top here, which I love just as much as I thought I would, if not even a little bit more. I love this color combination. I love where the line like starts and stops. I love how it's darker on the top and lighter on the bottom. The tie, I am such a huge fan of that. I don't have to worry about that. Like it's already got that cute tie in the front done for you. The length I think is very, very flattering as well. It's super, super soft and cozy. So this is an item I am definitely going to keep. As far as the name and price, this is the Market and Spruce. I really like that brand. I feel like I have a lot of Market and Spruce stuff. Samantha Front Twist Brushed Knit Top. in the shade dark gray. This is a size small and it is $38. So I also think it's pretty affordable as far as a top goes. Okay, so if I'm being honest, I don't love the dress on me. The color is great. I love the color. It is long sleeves. I thought when I was holding it up it was going to be shorter than that. It actually can cover most of my hands if I wanted it to. It's a very like skin tight but stretch material. I'm not 100% sold on the pattern overall. It's got like a little cinch right here, but I just am not loving it overall on me. It comes just to my knees and it's really not the style or the vibe that I was going for the wedding, but I do again like the color. It is pretty comfortable, but I think I'm personally going to pass. But if you were interested in the dress for yourself, this is the Kaylee Kendra knit dress in dark green. This is a size small and it is $58. All right, and the final dress, like I said, I have never worn a dress with like this neckline. I really actually like the neckline overall with the sleeves. It has some detailed ruching right here in the midsection, which I think is super flattering. I think it's super cute. I'm not 100% sold, I don't think, on the length of it. I feel like overall, as the dress kind of continues down, I feel like it ages me a bit. Does it look a little too, I feel like a sophisticated older businesswoman lady. I don't know. It's super cute though. Will I wear it to the wedding? No. It is very cute though. I just don't know that it's me. I feel like it looks a little bit older for me, but it is really cute. It's very, very comfortable. Again, I appreciate the cinched area here. I really do like the neckline. I love the color. Let's see, as far as pricing goes, this is the Kaylee. So interesting, both dresses were by Kaylee, but this is the Kaylee Emery knit midi mock neck dress, and it is navy. It is also a size small and it is $58 as well. So the dresses were by Kaylee and they were both the same price. If you are new to Stitch Fix and you've never tried Stitch Fix before and you think this is kind of interesting and super fun like I do, and you want to try it, I do have a link that will be in the description of this video where you can try Stitch Fix for the very first time risk-free. If you want to see more about Stitch Fix, I do have more unboxing videos, some of which go into more detail about the whole checkout process and the ins and outs of Stitch Fix, which you can refer back to those videos if you want to see more unboxing, try-ons, and a little bit more about Stitch Fix as well. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.